side to come right up as far as you can.
Pretty much ready to go, so we need you all to get out of here.
Come on through, guys.
Come on in.
What we're going to have is an awesome, I don't even know what you call it.
Outdoor fireworks,
Just take a picture of that. It'll be perfect.
Take photos. I want you to hashtag Glorious Ruins. That's hashtag
Glorious, Glorious.
You should get it soon. That's good.
Ruins, R-U-I-N-S.
Take photos of what's about to happen and help us launch this recording generation. Are you ready out there?
Afterwards, stick around afterwards because the team are going to be coming up here answering some questions for launching the album. It's going to be awesome. So gather in, come in so you can take the photos.
Right on the other side, can you hear us? Give us a wave. Oh, very good. Come on through, everybody. I
Gather
want you
in,
to miss this.
get up close, get warm.
Hashtag YOLO. It's so stupid, eh?
Alright, let's hit it.
Actually, some people do. Woo! Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. Sorry, grandpa. Wow. That it?
Let's hear it, everybody!
Yeah, look at all this smoke.
Well, why don't you guys come right up to the stage? We're going to have some of the Hillsong Live crew, and we're going to have a little chat. We're going to introduce you.
I'm not even being your grandfather.
But you all posted your photos to the Instagram, Twitter, and the Facebook.
Hashtag Glorious Ruins.
GLI.